Back on Bryan's 64 Buick Electra. Someone glued the crap out of this manifold. I never put anything on these. That's all bad. So I'm gonna fight this off and then we will go from there. All right, it's off, just as I suspected. Oh God! Someone siliconed the living shit out of these. You never silicone a nail head. Never. But I was right. Exactly the same as Scott and Sandy's. Same exact thing in the crossover. There it is. Core plug on the bottom of the manifold and the exhaust crossed over. Rusted through. Alright, Carson, we're going to pull this thing out. We're going to take a... You're going to try to do that. Okay. Yeah, break away the big chunky shit first. Go ahead. And then we'll take a punch and chisel and get it out the rest of the way. Actually, you might want to grab that with some pliers. Go get them pliers that we're using. Go with the pliers, boy.
Yeah.
Because we gotta pry that out, and then we have new ones in there. But we gotta clean this because some idiot decided to silicone it. Look, I get to rant about silicone again. You never do silicone on a Buick nail head. Ever. Did I mention ever? You never ever. All right, go get the pliers. Yeah, was that done, Carson? You think that's done? That's definitely done. Yeah, I gotta clean all that up. There you go. I'm gonna get this all clean too. And we'll put the freshie in there. Alright, so we've charged the battery. Crank's nice and fast now. But we ain't got no spark. And I just checked for voltage. We have no power at the coil. I'm gonna go check over here where our resistor wires are. Check for voltage there. And then we're gonna see what's going on. All right, got everything reassembled. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's hooked back up. I do need to replace vacuum lines. Almost dead. It's alive. Up and running. So quiet. So much quieter when it doesn't have exhaust leaking out of the fucking bottom of the intake manifold. Alright. Smooth. No, the stuff that fits on here. Nice. No more exhaust leak at the bottom of the manifold. Good job, knucklehead.